Calendula, commonly known as the pot marigold, it has a vibrant, multi-petaled yellow composite flower head belonging to the daisy family. It attracts beneficial pollinators, thrives in full sun with well-draining soil, and benefits from regular deadheading to encourage continuous blooming. Calendula, also known as pot marigold, Calendula officinalis, is a hardy, low-maintenance annual that is widely cherished for its cheerful daisy-like blooms. Calendula is incredibly easy to grow and can be sown directly outdoors. Calendula reseeds itself very easily. In fact, once you plant a patch, you'll rarely need to buy seeds or plant them again in future seasons. Calendula reseeds with curved claw-like seeds. As the seeds fade, the center of the flower dries out and forms C-shaped bumpy seeds. These almost look like tiny curved claws or dried worms. Once the fully ripe and brown, these seeds drop right onto the surrounding soil. Volunteer seedlings overwinter in the soil and sprout on their own following spring as soon as the ground temperatures warm up. To start your own patch, direct sow the seeds in early spring once the soil can be worked and after the danger of hard frost is past. In milder climates, you can also sow them in the late summer for fall-winter blooms. Place seeds about a quarter-inch deep in the soil. Calendula requires darkness to germinate, so make sure the seeds are fully covered with soil. Keep the seed blade constantly moist. Seedlings typically emerge in 5 to 15 days. Thin the seedlings once they have 2 sets of true leaves, spacing them about 8 to 12 inches apart for good air circulation. Once established, these plants are resilient and require minimal attention. They thrive in full sun 6 to 8 hours a day, though they may appreciate some afternoon shade in areas with intense hot summers. They are not picky about soil, but require good drainage. Avoid overly rich, heavy soils, as these can promote leafy growth at the expense of flowers. Water regularly until established. Mature plants are relatively drought tolerant. Aim to allow the top inch of soil to dry out between waterings. Some gardeners deadhead to encourage a constant supply of new flowers throughout the summer. Just be sure you leave some for seed in the late summer. When young plants are about 6 inches tall, pinching off the center growing stem can encourage a bushier plant with more blooms. Keep an eye out for powdery mildew, a white dusty powder that leaves is more common in humid conditions. Ensure proper spacing, 8 to 12 inches, and water at the base of the plant to keep the foliage dry. Aphids can appear on new succulent growths, but a strong stream of water or insecticidal pesticide is usually enough to get rid of them. I hope that you enjoyed this video all about Calendula, one of my favorite flowers. And if you did, can you please subscribe to this channel and like this video? I would really appreciate it. And thanks a lot and goodbye, and I will talk to you next time.